Hello there and welcome to Wagner Academy. This is question number 5. It says Daisha made a snack mix using the ingredients listed below. We got a cup and a quarter of granola, 3/4 of a cup of peanuts, half a cup of raisins, and a quarter cup of chocolate chips. That sounds like trail mix to me. Careful of those chocolate chips though, they might melt in the sun. What is the total amount of all 4 ingredients? I see what they're doing here. So they're taking these 4 numbers and asking you to put them together, add them together, in other words. So 1 1/4 plus 3/4 plus 1/2 plus 1/4. Hopefully at this point you're aware of something called common denominators, and we need to have common denominators to add fractions together. This would also be easier, this 1 1/4, to write, I think, as a mixed number instead of as an improper fraction, I should say, instead of a mixed number like it is in terms of adding these together. So I noticed I have got 4, 4, 2, and 4. If I multiplied this one by 2 over 2, so I'm multiplying by the same thing on the top and the bottom. That's keeping the fraction worth the same amount. It's just going to change the denominator for me so I can add these together. So I've got 1 1/4. That's the same as 5/4. Going from a mixed number to an improper fraction, think like this. It's this number times this number plus this number. Go in a little circle like that. So 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. You have 5/4. This plus 3/4 plus this will now become 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Now there's my common denominator. Right now I have a 4 here, and I have one more 4th. Now that I have a common denominator, I can write the denominator on the bottom as the same and add all the tops together. So 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 2, that's 10, plus 1 more would be 11. And then the same idea but kind of backwards to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. Now I'm going to find how many whole times does 4 go into this top number. That would be 2 whole times, and you would have 3 left over. If you couldn't do that in your head, you could simply do something like this: 11 divided by 4. You think that through, you would work out the long division. You got 2, you subtract 8, and you've got 3 left over. So 2 with the remainder of 3. That translates into 2 and 3. This is your denominator, 2 and 3/4. So either way you look at that, you can do that in your head without working out the long division. No problem. That's great. If you can't, it's still okay. Hopefully you'll get better at that. But for now, always feel free to fall back on that. So 2 3/4 of a cup. Final answer for number 5 is choice D.